Hello everyone. We are going to be testing out laws of gravity. No, seriously. We have a broken stud here, and I got my turbo sockets out, and see how good you guys can see that. Okay, you see it pretty good. We're testing out the turbo socket to see if we can get the stud out. Now, on a head, I do not like banging on the ratchet, the socket at all. This is the Harbor Freight 8mm is too big. So we're going to get the ThinkPro out. The ThinkPro goes down to quarter. So I know this will work. So again, I will not be banging on this socket. I am gonna hopefully just be able to grab it. I got this old 32 tooth ratchet out. Yeah. Yep, she's grabbing it. Took that broken bolt right out of this head. No banging, no nothing. And that's what you want. And you see it's on the manifold of the head. So it's actually a common spot. I guess she gripped right in that bad boy. Go ahead and take the bolt out. That's broken off. It was broken. And see what kind of marks it has on it. I need to switch out one of the laces. Oh, wow. Oh, broke off again. Now we got the issue that it's broke off in the ThinkPro here, turbo socket. So it's going to be a job to get this one out. Something tells me that that socket almost grips a little too good. These are aggressive. And I don't know how well you see that. Oh, let me get my light. You see that hole there? Boy, these things grip in. I've used this one a few times. You feel the little markings in it. But they got aggressive. Well, I guess the next job will be is getting that damn broken bolt off out of that. But for this small video on how good they work, if they work at all. Obviously they work really good. And now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it out. Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it if you would. We have broke 100 plus subs, which thanking everybody. This is all you guys, not me. Certain days it's gonna be really hard for me to get a video in. As a video of yesterday, you see, I had to get firewood for the garage here. If not, I'd freeze my little butt off, which is not so little. So there's days like that. It's hard for me to get a video in. We spent all day running back and forth 20 miles and get loads of firewood, but you know, we got it done. That's the most important thing. But now we got heat for the garage. So days like that, like I said, it will be hard for me to get videos in. We do got a Durango coming in this weekend. Transmission swap. Just getting a brand new transmission. The front diff needs to be rebuilt, so I'll be getting that and a few other things. I will be doing some videos on that. Thank you. Have a great day.